RVNL आयज टोटली एक्सपोज जालेले आसा, कित्याक पंचायतीन आनी लँड ओनरांनी सर्वे काडलो आनी त्या सर्वेचेर आयज क्लियर जालेले आसा की RVNL जे पळय बांदता ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 मीटर भितर प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन येयलेले आसा. आतां ही प्रॉपर्टी पळया ते एन्क्रोच करून आनीक रस्तो बांदला, जाय तो करता. आतां वेलसाव इलिगल चलता, कांसावली इलिगल चलता, सगळ्या प्रॉपर्टीनी विदाउट देअर परमिशन डंप घालून गुंडागिरी हुकुमशाही जालेली आसा. सो हितून आतां कलेक्टराचो रोल आसा. डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक 4 दिसाचो अल्टिमेटम दिता, ताबडतोब जे काम चलता RVNLचें ते बंद करचें, नाल्यार गांवचे लोक मोर्चा घेवन येतले आनी लॉ ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन जावपाचें शकता. कित्याक हें जे पळय RVNL कांयच वर्क ऑर्डर ना, कोणाचे प्रॉपर्टीन ते ट्रस्पास करता, क्रिमिनली ट्रस्पास करता. हें चलना कित्याक म्हाका कांय कोणाय सारकी गुंडाइजम चलता. इट लुक्स लायक गोवा इज नॉट गवर्न बाय इट्स लॉ, or there is no department which is governing Goa. It looks like it's a jungle raj. Eyes river वेले, डबल रेल्वे लाइन वेले, कोल सगळे येता. अदानी देशाक लुटून 10 लाख कोटीचो स्कॅम करता, तरी पासून कोण कांय उलयना. म्हूण हे फकाणां जालेलें आसा. इट लुक्स लायक वी आर गोण हिट एंड बिकम लायक श्रीलंका कंट्री. सो हांव मागता ताबडतोब CMाकूय अपील करता, जे पळय इलिगल चलता ते ताबडतोब बंद करचें. You follow the procedure, we are with you, but not like this where you forcibly go into private property and after even complaining yet the railway is not stopping. तो म्हणटा रेल्वे ऑफिशियल म्हणटा डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन उलय. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हिंगा गांव राखपाक येयला वा चोरपाक येयला हें आतां विचारपाक जाय म्हाका डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक. फूल मुरगांव तालुका अनलिमिटेड इलिगलिटीज आहा. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर न्हिदोना कोदेलीचेर.
Duty collector, the RVNL, they should come on the ground with their papers and prove it to the people that the land belongs to them. The problem is over there. Every now and then the local come to the panchayat and they catch hold of me to solve the problem, which is not in my hands, and I feel only people who can solve it is the collector and the RVNL. And I am with the people till I can.
Madam, have you approached the RVNL or have you approached the deputy collector?
We have written so many times, so many letters are gone from the panchayat to deputy collector to RVNL. Their answers are the land belongs to us. The police also tell us you all demarcate the area, which is not our duty. It's the duty of RVNL to demarc the area, right?
Madam, you all have taken resolutions also in the past.
Many resolutions, but it is gone on deaf ears. So I don't have much to say, but I am with the people. I want my village to be saved from this double tracking.
We believe it is our land. The railway say it is there. The panchayat has told them to show documents. They are not producing documents. Our villagers have given documents which show that it is there. Yesterday we got an independent surveyor, and he identified the spot, and which clearly shows that they are doing work in the private property. But nobody from there, when you talk to the engineer outside, he says it's my survey team is coming, he will not come. So nobody seems to know, and with police protection they are just going ahead with the work.
So now they have not even clarified to the panchayat whether the property belongs to them or to you.
They have not shown any document, and neither are they coming to do a survey. See, the railway board circular very clearly says that whenever a property has to be demarcated, there are 3 agencies that have to be there: the railway authority, the owner of the property, and DLS survey department. So you can't put a stone anywhere and say this is my property. That's what they're doing. We are asking for a joint survey.
People's issues and discussing the matters in Gram Sabhas, resolutions are being passed, and all this is being ignored by the state government, which is actively in connivance with the RVNL are going ahead with this project. I don't know for whose benefit. फकत तुम्ही कोडसो दिसती पडा त्या गव्हर्मेंटाक करता आनी आतां आयन ओर येता. हें कितें हें? आमी आमकां धुडान आनी खोडशा धुडान आनी आयन ओर धुडान आमकां काबार करपाचें मोरमुगांव तालुका. ही म्हजी क्वेश्चन.
I don't know what to say. I think there is anarchy, taking place in the state of Goa because the law has no place in this state at all. Without the consent of the owner, how can anyone carry on work of this magnitude, on anybody's land? Now, when I was talking to a certain authority, the railway authority, they said no, there is a stone that indicates that the land belongs to the railway. So I asked this person, if I go and put a stone in somebody else's land of my choice, will the land become mine, or do I have to have ownership documents to prove that I am the owner? There are no ownership documents. The owner has objected, and yet work is going on. So what is this? Isn't this lawlessness? I request the government to step in, check what is happening, okay? Because at the end of the day, ours is a government elected by the people. A government that is of the people, for the people, by the people. People are centric, okay? So therefore, the government has to find out the truth. I think the government should set up a committee to come and carry out an inspection here to find out what the truth is, whether the law is prominent or whether the law does not exist anymore. So I don't know. Besides, what will be the repercussions? I think the government, I would like to ask the government whether the government has carried out a survey to find out how many houses are going to be damaged. What will be the impact of the vibrations on the existing houses, or is our goal to destroy South Goa and the villages through which the second track is going to pass? As it is, we are suffering. I am also a victim of this. I definitely object to this. Matani Saldanya's house is here. It's a house that is more than 450 years old. We all know the second track and third track is for coal, transportation of coal. Now, I want to know, for example, where is the coal coming from? Australia, right? Now, how many ports does the state of Goa have? One port. Now, our neighboring state has 12 ports. Karnataka has 12 minor ports and one major port. Why can't the coal that is coming from Australia be deposited at one of these ports in Karnataka? Because from the port, the coal is to be taken to a site in Karnataka. So why touch Goa? Why? And look at the size of our state. Our state is so small. Can we contain that much pollution and that much destruction of our environment?